Hi guys, here I'm using my magnifying lens. There's some tools that you can use in the field, but there's some tools that are too heavy or expensive or fragile to use in a field. So I think I'm gonna go to the lab now to check and teach you some of the tools we use in the lab. But first I wanna call my friend Lily. Lily, you wanna help? Lily.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? Oh yes, I want to go to the lab. Let's go to the lab. I want to check that out. Yoo-hoo, let's go.
Oh Lily, let's go to the lab.
Okay.
Now Lily, we are now in the lab. So let's see some of the tools that we're gonna find here.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Okay Lily, we're gonna talk about the dropper, the pipette, and the microscope.
Ooh, tell me more.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the dropper versus the pipette. Obviously, the size is a big difference, but let me talk about the pipette later. The dropper is a little tube with a rubber bulb on the top. Now, how it works. You squeeze the bulb, you put it in the liquid, you let go, and it sucks into the liquid. Then, gently, you squeeze on the bulb, and comes out as drops. Okay, so this is the dropper. Now, the pipette is like a dropper. It's really fragile, it's made out of glass, but it's more exact than the dropper. So mostly this is used in labs. I'm not gonna do a demonstration because you need all other things attached to the pipette to make it work. Got it, Lily?
Got it. That is interesting.
Now I'm gonna explain to you how a microscope works. A microscope is to see microscopic things that you can see with your magnifying lens or hand lens. So we put in a slide, we put a specimen under the microscope. Sometimes we need to add a little bit of water with the dropper. And then we move on this to focus. It moves up and down. We can focus with this too, and then we see through the eyepiece, and then we can check out very microscopic things. This is a light microscope. As noticed, it has a light source. There's another microscope that is huge, and it's called the Electron Microscope, and it uses electrons. And with that one, you can see things 1 million times bigger. Yes, sir. 1 million times bigger.
Wow, that's amazing.
Well, kids, to summarize. So we saw today the dropper, the pipette, that is more exact than the dropper, and the microscope. So come on down and check out what we have under the microscope. Whoa, it's an ant. Look at that. Look at the legs. Ooh, scary, huh? Well, guys, see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.